Welcome back, bogies. Another episode. Wednesday. Lovely, innit? Thought I'd wear my cash stuff today, seeing as it's feeling like winter. I'm 99% happy with the seat cross member that we've done. But I'm not quite. I think I could maybe get it to fit a little bit better, so I'm just going to leave it for a second. I fancy just doing something a little bit separate today, just something different. And so basically, we've got this hole here that needs filling. So let me just go and chuck you guys back in the holster. Yeah. So let me just see. So what we've got to do, we've got, it's just going to be smoothed into the A panel. It's supposed to join up, so it's just a quite simple bit of sheet. But what I want to do is, I think I'm going to just try and grind off the last bit of this edge. So we've got this front panel, we've got this the door frame panel. We'll try and grind that off the best we can. And so basically, I'll bend up a bit of metal with a 90-degree edge on it, and then we'll fit that in there, and then get it to fit. And then we can spot weld down this edge. It's going to be a hell of a lot easier than trying to weld just a sheet bit in there and trying to get in the corner there, and then you're fucking grinding away. Well, that's the idea anyway. It does have a slight kink or bend to it. Where's my angle grinder? Damn, it's in the back of the car. Alright, I'm going to have to go get the other angle grinder as well. I think I've left that. No, it's not, it's over there. Alright, good. So yeah, first thing first, let's clean this up. And then see if we can grind this old bit of edge away. Alright, I was grinding away and I changed my mind how I was doing it. When I wire brushed it, you didn't see it, but you can just see one there. But there were some holes in this panel. Don't know where the bit of metal's gone now. You'll have to just trust me that there was holes in it. No, that's not it. So yeah, so instead of trying to grind away this edge and make an awful job, I'm going to actually have to repair some of this section as well, as always, so the job turns into a bigger pain in the butt than you first realise. So yeah, so what we do is, we can repair this back edge, finish cutting this off, and then we'll repair the front edge again. So we're going to do the same, but we just have to do the front edge as well. So let's see what metal we got. Alright, I've got that section in. Don't know what the time is, it's getting late again as always. Oh, I've got a little bit of time. I don't think I should have worn the white top outside though. So yeah, I made that up. I need to take the door off to get a bit more grinder in there, and I'll get a little the air Dremel on that just to really get into the concave area. So what we can do now is cut this old section off now and then finish repairing these two sides. I do need a little skim of filler, but I think that's pretty good. As I said, I can grind it down a lot more once the door's off. So yeah, that's not too bad, it'll do. Key thing is that the line goes straight down, and the seam strip will go back on later. You must do the seam strips. So yeah. On a side note, while I'm still thinking in my head, that subframe, I've got my dad, he's got a couple of old subframes up north. So he's cut this section out, sent that down. It's arrived in the old office post today, but I haven't gone to get it. So hopefully we'll have enough to weld a new section in. So hopefully we can sort of maybe just cut through here or something, or do something. And yeah, we'll be able to repair that subframe hopefully. So anyway, let's spend another just half hour finishing this off if I can. I promise Friday night's video will be me cleaning up this place. I do apologise. I wish somebody would come around and help me clean. If any of any volunteers, let me know if you suffer from OCD. Come around for a bit. All right. Alright, I'm sure some people think I'm making a right meal of this. That's just the way I do things. So, one last little bit to go in here, then we can clean it all up. And then it can be spot welded just along there, just to give it a bit of a look. Not that it really needs, you know, the amount of work I've done there. Might as well just bloody MIG weld it, but anyway. We'll trim these up a little bit once we're done. So yeah, just cut a little bit more. Where my scrap metal's gone. There we go. Using just a bit of old panel. Cut a bit to go in there, get it on, bosh it in, weld it in. Job's a good one. Alright, ow. You lose all this gunk around here. That's another hole tidied up. Get my spot welder that I've left over the other side. So as I said, might not be the nicest of jobs, but that looks fairly solid to me. Oh, spot welder's so heavy. Let's do that. Plug this in. Bum, bum, bum. Hopefully it's still fairly clean from the other day. Oh, lovely. Just get a cut on there. Just keep the purists happy. Sometimes if you do the spot welder too quick, it needs a second or so just to cool down. Anyway, that's that. Cool. Cool done. Cool bananas. Ping. I don't know where my etch primer's gone. Have the etch primer. What have you guys done with my etch primer? Anyone? Bueller? Pardon me. Etch primer. Oh, I don't know where it's gone. What did I paint last, guys? Anyone remember? Oh, it's getting a bit cold out here now. There's a broken etch primer. There it is. It's what the shop client block told me. So anyway, we'll just get a bit of etch primer on this. As I said, we'll clean up this edge a little bit here with a air to Dremel at some other point. Anyway, a little bit of filler, another hole done. Concourse, here we come. Alright guys, I've bored you enough for tonight. I'm going inside, warming up. Enjoy, till next time. Keep on trucking.